how do I know how hard I should be working out?
Okay, good question. So there's something called RPE, rate of perceived exertion, okay? That means if I see you working out and you look like you're about 7 or 8 out of 10 on an intensity level scale, I know that this person's working at 70 to 80% of her max, okay? But I have a different acronym for you as well, okay? The different acronym is rate of felt exertion, felt as in F for Frank, okay? So for example, if I do 15 push-ups now, which is nothing for me, but if I really squeeze my shoulder blades, control the core, and really activate my chest muscles, squeezing the tricep muscle at the end, you can see the bump through the fabric coming out, and doing that for the next 15 reps, my rate of felt exertion will go from a walk in the park, which is regular 15 push-ups, one bouncing up and down that you might see in the gym, to like an 8 or a 9, because I'm really working on that. So my question to you is, when you're working out and your tricep muscles and chest muscles and core muscles and leg muscles when you're doing the single leg squats or lunges, are they feeling the RFE, the rate of felt exertion level, at a 7, 8, or a 9 out of 10? Or are they feeling a 2, 3, or 4 out of 10? What can we do to actually get you the rate of felt exertion, and in a muscle way, because you're going for toning, right? To bring it up to an 8 out of 10 in the lunges, in the bridges. Can you tell yourself to squeezing that glute workout when you do the bridges on the chair or on the couch, elevated, and really push yourself and squeeze every muscle fiber where you bring it up to an 8 out of 10? Because this is where, no matter who you're coaching with, the student has to actually work on flexing and putting that intention and squeezing that glute muscle, feeling that muscle. And that's where it becomes an active workout, right? It's not a passive workout. A passive workout is, oh, nice flowers. 20 minutes done, I felt great, I did it, check. An active workout is there's a purpose in your program where you want to be strong, you want to be confident, you want to fit a certain way, you want to feel that strength in your body and your mind, which you only get from doing an active workout. There's a purpose for both.
Got it. Okay.
Okay. When you do the push-ups, can you actually activate that? The yoga mat there, I'm just going to walk you through one set of push-ups and really see whether you're really doing what you say you are doing. Blades in, starting here. Lift your core in and slowly go down, and don't come up all the way. You see how you're locking your elbow? I don't want you to lock your elbow on the way top. And 4, keep that core engaged. Good. 5. Perfect. 6, keep breathing. 8, good, squeeze, feel it. 9, be active about it. 6, I need your chest all the way down to the floor, almost there. 7.
Now it's harder.
Okay, so that's another thing we fixed for you. 8, down to the floor. 9, let's go. 10, let's go 5 more. If you can bring 5 more down to the floor, we don't have to do 20. Almost there, almost there. 3 and 1. Okay. Now, what's that number from 1 to 10?
No, it's at 8.
Voila. So 2 things fixed. 8, you want to bring your chest all the way down to the floor.
Okay.
Second thing fixed. I slowed your pace down.
Okay.
You notice
okay.
I slowed you down a little bit.
Yeah, that's probably close.
Yeah, because for you to really tone up, it has to be a controlled strength training motion. It cannot be like this. that doesn't work, unfortunately, to build
Okay.
a strong, sexy, confident, lean body.